Here's how to fix Epic Games slow update and download speeds. First, open the Epic Games application. Then, click on this icon in the top right corner and select Settings. Now, scroll down until you find Downloads and Installs and click on Go to Download Settings. Scroll down again until you see the option called Limit Download Speeds. Click on this option and then try changing all of these values to 0. Once you've done that, close the settings window and check your download speed again to see whether the change has improved the performance. If the download becomes slower or this doesn't make any difference, go back to the download settings. This time, try changing all of these values to a much higher number, such as 10,000. Once every value has been changed to 10,000, check your download speed again to see whether this solves the problem. If you're still experiencing slow downloads, the next thing we're going to do is completely close the Epic Games launcher. Make sure the application is fully closed by also closing it from the taskbar. Now open the Start menu, search for Run, and click on the Run application. Inside the Run box, type %, local app data %, and then press Enter. A folder will now open. Scroll down until you find the Epic Games Launcher folder and double-click on it. Next, double-click on Saved. If you see any folders here named Web Cache followed by a series of numbers, right-click on each one and select the trash icon to delete them. After deleting those folders, double-click on Config and then double-click on Windows Editor or Windows. Inside this folder, you should find a file called Engine. Right-click on this file, select Open With, and then choose Notepad. The file may be completely empty, or it may contain several lines of text. Either way, delete all of the existing text inside this file. Now paste in the code provided for this fix. I'll leave the code in the video description so you can easily copy and paste it. Once the code has been added, click File and select Save. After saving the file, go back to Epic Games and check your download speed again to see if the problem has been resolved. If you're still having trouble, there's one more solution we can try. Open the Start menu, search for Control Panel, and open it. In the top right corner, make sure View By is set to Large Icons. Then click on Network and Sharing Center. From the left side, select Change Adapter Settings. Now right-click on your Wi-Fi connection and select Properties. Find Internet Protocol version 4, select it, and click Properties. At the bottom of this window, select Use the following DNS server addresses instead. Now enter 8888 as the first DNS address and 8844 as the second one. Finally, click OK, close the remaining windows, and check your Epic Games download speed again. And that's it. That's all for this video. Thanks.